In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or edit your image or gallery block effectively. This is a fundamental skill for anyone looking to enhance their website's visual appeal. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to find the image block on your page. This might already be present if you're working on an existing section of your site. Simply locate it and then click on it to open the editing options. If you're working with a gallery block, you'll want to go to the Edit Gallery option. This action will allow you to change or update the images that are displayed, ensuring your site stays current and dynamic. Once you've accessed your image or gallery block, it's time to focus on adding your caption. This is an essential step because captions significantly enhance the user's understanding of your images. To do this, look for the caption field that's provided. When working with a gallery block, you might find this under a slightly different name, like the description field. Don't be thrown off by the different terminology. It functions in the same way. It's essentially your opportunity to convey information or add context to what viewers are seeing, so make it count. After typing your caption, you'll want to consider how it's displayed. Within the caption editor, you have several formatting options at your disposal. You can transform your text into a paragraph or a heading, depending on how you want it to appear. If clarity and emphasis are your goals, headings are particularly useful. Additionally, you can use the alignment tools to determine the positioning of your text. Do you prefer a centered caption, or does left or right alignment better suit the design of your page? The choice is entirely up to you, and you can experiment to find what works best visually. Once you've made all your desired adjustments and are satisfied with your captions and alignment, it's crucial to save your changes. This will ensure that all your hard work is preserved and displayed correctly on your site. Saving regularly as you make modifications can prevent any accidental data loss, which is always a lifesaver when you're deep in creative work. By saving, you'll see the styles applied not only to all gallery captions, but also to any specific elements you've targeted, ensuring a cohesive look across your site. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to add or edit your image or gallery block. By following these steps, you can ensure your website not only looks fantastic, but also communicates effectively with your audience. Thanks for joining me today, and good luck with enhancing the visual engagement of your site. Keep exploring and making the most of the tools available to you.